All right, here's a quick summary of how to install a ProFlex Commander on a Ram TRX. So, a couple things we did to make this installation easier was we loosened the 3 bolts that hold the overflow reservoir so we can move it out of the way because the fuel sensor is way back behind the engine. You have your 4 injector leads on this side, your 4 injector leads on the other, just like any other V8. The other thing we did, so I got the ladder on the way, but we removed the wheel and the inner fender liner, and I haven't buttoned anything up yet. You can see the harness is still sitting there. But what we have here is you'll be able to see our fuel line tucked back up in there. So you unplug the fuel rail on the back side of the supercharger, and I hooked the 90-degree end onto the rail and looped that around and plugged it into the sensor, which goes back into the line. And that's about it for the install.